So this is one of our kits. You know, we have, kind of looks like this when the patient gets it in a little bag. And we have two different kits that you can see on there. So we have the lower dose, which is the 0.5, and then we have a kit that starts with a 1.5 milligram capsule. You know, originally it was with Dr. Goldstein that we started the 1.5 milligram capsule, but then as he was talking in his presentation, we found some patients do much better when they start at a lower dose. So I typically now recommend the 0.5 milligram capsule. And our kit is very easy to follow. Everything is on the outside. And inside the kit we have made it really simple even because as you can see on the kit, there's the green, so that corresponds to the green, which is the 0.5 milligram low-dose naltrexone. And then we have like the orange bottle, which kind of corresponds to the other dose, which is the 1.5 milligram. So it's very easy to do that.